False.
Oh, no! Let's talk about what we need to think about when it comes to etiquette around the dinner table. You're having a dinner party.
Yes.
What do we need to think about?
Well, the first thing is I always have place cards out.
Okay.
And I don't like people walking into the room. You know, everyone walks in and they're frozen. No one wants to grab the first chair because they don't know where they're supposed to sit.
Yep.
So I always put place cards out. You don't want a war at the table. So you really have to, you really have to think about this. So if it's a small gathering, I usually sit the host at the end. So we'll put the host card there.
Okay.
And that's because it's just easier to get in and out of when you're grabbing things. You're not jostling somebody.
Yeah.
And then I probably put the most controversial people beside the host. So I usually put, yes, because and I'll tell you why. I put someone that really likes to talk about politics, which you should never do.
Yeah.
At the end,
especially
beside,
now.
And anybody that's a real gossiper. The reason for that is the host can shut them down.
Right. Yes.
So you can just stop that and change the subject.
Okay. Are you putting the couple together? Do they get to sit? No, they don't get to sit together?
No, they don't. They don't. So you don't have to separate them too far, but you can put them on opposite ends of the table so they can still kick each other.
Okay.
If someone is, off color, you just kick your partner in the shin.
Absolutely.
And then I typically, if I've got somebody, and I don't like to say boring.
Yeah.
They're not boring.
But they're boring. Go ahead.
Well, maybe a little boring.
They're a little boring.
I like to call them an introvert.
Okay, well, there's a difference. There's a difference between the two. Some people actually get into a social situation and, this is not the situation that they thrive in.
Correct.
That is okay. But some people are just boring.
So, yes, there's always a reason, which I want to find out why they're boring. So I like to sit beside the boring people.
Okay.
I do. Everybody can be outgoing. I want to sit with the one that's quiet and probe.
Yeah.
Why are they quiet?
Peel back the layers.
I do. They're my favorite people.
There's a lot more to talk about when it comes to the correct behavior at parties. So who did we bring in here to join the discussion? Designers Kimberly Selden and Colin and Justin. Hi, guys. Good to see you. So we thought we would continue this, and I'm going to get the audience to weigh in as well. You all have paddles. I'm going to give you a scenario. We're going to weigh in, and then Brian's going to tell us if we are right or wrong, okay? You arrive at a holiday party in high heels that match your outfit. They look so good. The hostess says, "This is a no-shoe house." Is this acceptable? True or false? Most of them say it is acceptable.
I think it's acceptable.
Take off your shoes?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's part of my outfit.
But Tracy, you've been walking through the street and picked up all manner of stuff.
Yeah. I would not traipse my dirty shoes through your house. I would have another pair.
As long as you do that.
But I don't want to be told I can't wear high heels.
But it's their house, Tracy.
I know, but then why would you have people over if you've got all these rules?
But if you are too uptight, don't have a party.
I agree.
Just don't have a party. If it's like, if you have like white carpet, white furniture.
Yeah, don't have people
just
over.
Don't have a party. Or just drink water.
Right? Okay, here's another one. The hostess is in the kitchen washing dishes. As a guest, you should go in and help. True or false?
False. Oh,
I say false as well.
I just scream it.
I say false. This is pretty much half and half with the audience. Half true, half false. What do you think?
I would say you offer.
You offer.
Because if the host is drowning, just go in and help them. If they don't want you, they'll say, you know what, dear, you just go out and enjoy. I'm happy to clean. But if they say, thank you so much, I'd like to get out there also, you've offered. Let the host make the decision.
Now, as an add-on to this, if you're the host, don't be washing the dishes when people come over.
Exactly.
You should go home because I'm ready to go to bed.
Kind of.
Is what that feels like.
I would just leave all the dishes until
You're in
tomorrow.
bed by 8, though. Brian has to have parties very
Don't
early.
tear yourself away. Just, you know what, the dishes aren't that important. Your guests are more important. Just have a great night. Tomorrow morning, the dishes will still be there.
Okay, you can bring your children or a friend to a holiday party if they weren't specifically invited. True or false? Oh, most people, everyone says false.
I saw one true. We're going to have to sit down.
Oh, there's
one true.
I'm going to have a little sit down with her after.
A little sit down, a little chitty chat.
No, whoever's invited is invited, and that's it.
That's right.
Because you don't know. There could be a table set, and you don't want to sort of disrupt the whole
That is right. Okay, I like this. Well, I learned a thing or two.